Hey everyone, so in this video I am going to show you how to reset Ion speaker in 2025. So for that we need to go to the official website of the Ion speakers and just click on support or contact, and we can write like reset, and as you can see it already suggesting me Ion audio total PA Titan. How do I perform a factory reset? So I'll just click on here, and as you can see, to factory reset the speaker to default setting and hold down the control knob for 5 seconds, the speaker will power cycle and the rest will be successful. And if you are connecting a Bluetooth device, you will need to repair your device to the speaker. When the speaker turns back on, it will automatically enter Bluetooth pairing mode. If necessary, press the source button to select Bluetooth mode. Then navigate to your device's Bluetooth setup screen and Total PA Ultimate and connect. If you are experiencing trouble in connecting, select forget this device on your Bluetooth device and try to connect it. And if you require any further assistance, please do not hesitate to contact Ion support team and all. And that's it for today. See you on the next one.